Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? So, this is going to be a tabletop review of this Nova 6-in-1 utility knife. This knife here is a Milwaukee Compact Slide. That's what they're calling it. Milwaukee Compact Slide utility knife. This is a Norske utility knife. So yeah, these two, I've actually had these for about 3 years. I've used them quite a bit. Mostly just opening packages, opening mail, breaking down boxes for the recycling, that sort of thing, right? So I can vouch for these. Right, so this is aluminum alloy. This is also aluminum alloy. This is FRN, so this one is lighter. This has a swing gate carabiner. This just has a lanyard slot. This also has a built-in what they call a rope cutter. Now this, well, it's got a pry tool and other functions. Now this, I've actually seen this with different brands, branding, and different color in local stores. So you actually might be able to find something like this at Lowe's or Home Depot for less, but it'll probably be a different color and different brand, but it's the same thing. Yeah, I find utility knives to be very useful. I keep one in almost every room. I keep one at my desk, one in my garage, my workout room, my bike room, living room where I usually open my mail, one by the in my bedroom. I have larger utility knives, like in my garage I have a larger utility knife that just lives there forever. But these smaller ones you could actually carry with you conveniently in the pocket or whatnot. Alright, so these are pretty useful to save your blade. There's some tasks that you don't really want to use a pocket knife for, especially things like breaking down boxes. That's just going to be very rough on an edge. And also, most knife blades are going to be thicker than a utility knife blade is, right? So this will just glide through that much more easily. Now, currently on Amazon, this is going for around $14, this is going for $15, and that's going for $19.95 or thereabouts. Now, what are the functions on this? Well, as you can see, you can use that as a screwdriver. It's got hex wrench cutouts, can opener. Looks like they're opening a paint can there. So that's a pry tool, really. Bottle opener, and you can put a key ring on it. So those are the functions, but mainly, the main good part about this is the utility knife and the pry tool. Right, you see it continues right down there. So this is actually a bit stronger than most competitors. Bottle opener. Now I'm not going to torture test this because you got to remember, small little pry tools like this, it's not a crowbar. It's for little tasks. That's all. Right? Is it going to stand up to, demolishing a house? No. But these can be useful. All right, so I just thought it would be a nice addition to my little arsenal. Now, how do you remove the blade? Well, extend it all the way. It's got a tab, so basically if you just push that tab, allows you to take the blade out. Speaking of blades, I got some new ones. You might have noticed these are golden color. It doesn't come with those. They didn't come with those. I got these utility knife blades. It's a 30 pack and there's 3 dispensers. Alright, so I used 2. This is the dispenser. So basically goes like that. You pull this out and pull it up. Or pull that down, I guess. And it has dispensed. Right? It's SK5, which is a carbon steel, and that's what a lot of utility knife blades are made of. All right, let's put this in here. So when you push on this, you want to push on that part rather than that part, right? If you push on that part, it will slide easily. Now, when I was reading the reviews for all of these, I soon regretted reading the reviews because, look, some people should just never have any kind of knife. Basically, well, first of all, if you left a 1-star review for any of these, I know that you got cut, okay? And it was user error. It was your fault, all right? Basically, people were complaining because some of them retracted it here and they left the tip out and they thought it was retracted and they got cut. Okay, the solution to that is to actually retract it all the way. I mean, that could happen with any, right? So people were like doing this and then like cutting themselves. Like, I mean, it's not the item's fault that if you don't pay attention, okay? Because any of these could do that, right? Any of these could do that. It's not the fault of the design. You just have to pay attention, right? So, yeah, like I said, some people shouldn't have any kind of knife. So I guess they just retracted it here and put it in their pocket, and then it just stabbed into them. That's hilarious. If you do that, just film it, right? Film it and post it. You'll get 1 million views. All right, so in summary, this one has a carabiner and the rope cutter. This one is FRN, so it is the lightest in weight. And this one has a pry tool and a bottle opener and those other functions, so that's pretty cool. All right, I will include links to all these. They're all currently available on US Amazon, and I'll also include links to some special blades you can get, including the gold ones, and they now have serrated blades and things like that. So I'll include those underneath the video in the description box for your convenience. Okay, YouTubes, I hope this has been useful to you. Like I said, I've been away for a while, and you basically have to warm up the algorithm. All right, so until I know that the algorithm is actually paying attention, I can't post any of my, like a cold steel review or something that everybody wants to see if the algorithm isn't warmed up. All right, so if you're getting this, if this came to your subscription box, leave a comment. Tell me how you're doing. I hope you had a good holiday season. This is We All Juggle Knives channel. I'm out.